very good. I'm feeling weird.
That was good. That was good.
Does anybody else want to try?
Rydell can do one. She did one last time.
Oh, wow.
Rydell didn't even mean to do one, but she was like walking around us. She was like walking around us. Like everyone was joking. She was rolling.
Hey, anyway, so obviously being on tour is, you know, hard and stressful, and you know sometimes we don't get enough sleep or whatever. So Rydell is a little under the weather today, so everybody has to scream really loud when she sings her song, okay?
Yeah.
Woo! But anyway, I love you, Rydell. You're so pretty. Say 20. Oh, she feels sick. Oh, she's sick.
Okay, I'm counting on you.
Okay.
Give a piece.
We got you. Notice how the first person you pointed at. We got
Next
you.
question. Couple more. Whose turn?
Take that, you.
Riley?
I don't want to take it. Raj was just standing over there. I don't want to put it on.
I've been favoring this side so much.
Yeah, I've been trying to go over here.
He looked at me through the corner.
Me? Okay. If you could be any animal, what would you be?
If you could pick any animal, what would you be?
Wait, any animal? A sloth.
I love sloths. Yeah, that is. Makes me much happier this concert.
I would be a surfing penguin.
Yes! I like you. I'm so much more spontaneous this one. Someone needs to ask him to do an R5 TV.
Thank you to those of you who
Someone
got
needs to ask
that.
him.
Alright, 2 more questions.
R5 TV. Someone ask about R5 TV.
We are going to pick
Someone ask him.
rock and roller shirt.
Hey, someone needs to ask about R5 TV. They don't know the rest of the song.
I definitely wouldn't pick that song.
No, I like Big Bus.
What? You have to go with maybe like something that's very uplifting. Probably maybe Smile by McFly.
That's always the hardest question. Like one.
So you just gotta go with the
For
first
real.
thing that comes to your mind. Or
I'd pick an R5 song. R5, just saying. Here comes forever. Yeah, I like that song. Sail, sail.
oh, that's a good guy.
Yeah. I like that.
I don't know that one.
R5. Who's that? Let's go right
I'm just gonna raise my hand again.
That was my second pick.
Good question.
Someone needs to ask for
Alright,
R5
one more.
TV. R5 TV. R5 TV.
Interesting. Who's picking?
R5 TV.
Who's picking? Let's pick up the last question.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Who started the band?
Riker.
I was kind of the first person to start playing guitar. But the band sort of
Started itself.
started itself. But like we were always like, but even before we went round, like we were always R5 because Ryland was an R as well. So like even when we were like super really tiny, we were always R5 and we'd perform, just not as a band. But the band, like when we started playing instruments, started when we moved out to California,
I like
which
how
was
he's
about
like-
5 years ago. And Rocky was sort of
6 years this
Rocky
year.
was the first person to play an instrument. Yeah. If that answers your question. And then we met
Yell at
Ralph,
R5
and
TV.
then
R5, you yell it? Me yell it? You yell it. Please. I you yell R5 TV. Do it right now. Do it. Wait, wait till whenever it gets quiet. No, you yell it. Aww! That is so cute.
Are you guys ready to hear a song?
Yell it.
It says Be Mine.